So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover a banned TikTok account. So the first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. On here you can see home, friends, you can add content through the middle button as well as inbox and profile. Now getting rid of your ban or seeing if your ban expired usually starts off with checking your notifications, so we will do just that. You will find on the bottom, you will see inbox, click on that, and you can see inbox for new followers, activity, and system notifications, as well as finding contacts through there. So if you got banned, TikTok usually sends you some information about the ban, how long it's going to last, what's the reason for the ban, and some similar stuff. But if you check a notification about the ban, you can tap the appeal button within that notification if it's available. Then follow the instructions to submit your appeal, providing a clear explanation, and you can see even the evidence on here. So from here you can see your email, so you can see account updates through there. And if you open up your account updates, usually it contains previous messages. So on there, you may even see some messages about your account, the ban on your account, and you can click the appeal button, which will then start you off with your appeal process and whether or not the submission of the appeal is available to you. So you can find it through there. So just make sure to go to your notifications first. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.